The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. Everything is pumping, guys. Bitcoin almost hit 90 grand last night. I was up, I couldn't even stop checking my portfolio. And one of the projects that I'm very excited about that I'm into is Timpi, Nutaro, and Timpi. Look at what it's doing, guys. When I did my video on the Timpi node sale for the new Synaptron nodes that are coming out, they're also selling Guardians and collector nodes. This is 3 days ago I did this video. The market cap of Timpi was in the $3 million range. We're already up to almost $6.5 million market cap. This project is early. This project has a solid community behind it. They are trying to be like big tech at their own game, and they are going to be doing this node sale that I was telling you guys about in this video coming up on the 17th. I can whitelist you, or you can use my affiliate code, my discount code. It'll get you 10% off. Make sure you do both, actually. Whitelist yourself, because this node sale, it's gonna sell out fast. I go over everything in this video. Please check out this video for more details on the project. I'm just gonna tell you right now about my excitement about what's happening right now. So the price is pumped 38.5%. We've doubled practically the market cap in just a handful of days. And like I said, Bitcoin's 90 grand. So I wanted to show you just something real quick. This is my collector node. I showed in that video that I did the other day talking about the whitelist sale. And this is just my collector node. And I have accumulated 838 Nutaro just from running this node. And it's just a little mini desktop computer I'll show on the screen. It takes barely any wattage, and it's incredibly, ridiculously easy to set up. I'm going to be doing some more videos on my nodes and how I have them set up. I'm also going to host my Guardian node that I'm getting for this next sale at Node Orbit. Check out Node Orbit. I've got a link in the description for Node Orbit. If you like the content, go ahead and use that. It helps out the channel. That's where I have my Nyaxa nodes hosted at the moment. So check that out. But my Guardian, I'm going to host just to make it a little easier on myself. But my Synaptron node, my AI node from Timpi, I want to build my own rig at home. I have graphics cards that I might be able to use. I might buy a new one specifically for this. And I'm going to see if I can build a node, and I'm going to do a video separate on that to show you how. But the rewards on these are pretty damn good, you guys. 838 Nutaro for running this very low wattage little mini PC. I bought this thing for like 70 bucks off eBay, the PC. I got my collector node in the last pre-sale. This time it'll be 625 bucks, but you can get 10% off, like I said, if you use my link in the description. And don't forget to get yourself whitelisted. Also, you can get an additional 5% off if you use Nutaro to pay. And just this month alone, the Nutaro that I collected is worth like $57. So right now, I just feel like this is a good time to be getting in the game. And not just for Nutaro and Timpi, which I'm very excited about because it's an early project that I think is just going to go insane. In my mind, I feel like this is one of the best projects I've gotten into lately. Everything's pumping, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros is a website that I buy mining equipment from. They have all the best brands and all the newest models. And I am pretty pumped because I got an AlphaPex DG Home 1 on its way. And look at the price of Dogecoin right now. It's gone insane. It was up to as high as like 43 cents almost. So everything seems to be going to the moon right now. And that means probably these prices on mining equipment are going to go up soon as well. So if you want to get in before the price goes up and you want a good deal, use discount code RAIDER for $70 off your order. The prices you see on this website are prices shipped to your door. No tariffs, nothing like that. So thanks for listening. Now back to the video. Go to CoinGecko, check out top DPIN coins by market cap, and look at your largest gainers. And who do you see on top right now? Nutaro, Timpi. We are up to 7 cents since I even started just recording this video. So it's moving fast, guys. If you would have got in on this project when I did this video about 3 days ago, I posted it 3 days ago, but I've done other Timpi videos a long time ago. I'll show you on the screen the other one that I did. And just from a couple of days ago, you'd be doubling your money. So, nothing I say is financial advice, of course. Don't ever invest anything more than you're willing to lose. But if you don't risk it a little bit, you're going to miss out on huge gains. And this project is early. Like I said, it's got a solid team. You can't pretend like we're not in a bull run anymore when Bitcoin's 90 grand. So I wouldn't sleep on this project, much longer. If you haven't already contacted me for whitelisting for the pre-sale on the nodes, you have to send me your Notaro address. Just contact me in my Discord. I'll leave a link to my Discord in the description of the video. You can tag me on X or message me on X. You can even, flag me down in the YouTube comments of this video. Let me know you want to get a hold of me and get whitelisted. The sale is in 5 days. November 17th is when the sale starts. And this is the pre-sale. And like I said, they're going to sell out fast. This is a big opportunity for you guys to drag in some nice passive income and support this awesome project. If you want to know more about the project, I've been talking mostly about the price of Notaro because I'm excited about that. I've gone deep into detail, and most recent one that I've done is the freshest information about the Synaptron AI nodes, the Guardian nodes, and the Collector nodes that will be available. Timpee's also been very generous and is doing $150 total worth of giveaways through my channel. If you watch this video and follow the instructions in that video, you can win $50 of Timpee. If you check out my X post, you can win $50 of Timpee. If you join my Discord, I will reveal how you can win another $50 of Timpee. So $150 total chances of winning, and you've got until the 17th. That's when I'm going to be doing all three giveaways, all at the same on the same day. So, like I said, check out my Discord and check out my X page and check out that YouTube video I've pointed at 50 times, and you can win a total of $150 worth of Timpee. If you're looking for early passive income plays like this, check out ZZZ Money Club. There's a link in the description. It is ran by none other than your friend Andy. So it is full of smart people that are looking for early projects with tons of potential. If you want to get into it, check that link out in the description. Like I said, don't sleep on this project, guys. You're early still. Very good chance you're going to do extremely well on it. Hit me up if you want to get whitelisted. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.